Hello, my name is Randy and I run the vegan entrepreneur community. I help people build up their businesses and start up and realize their dreams. Builderall is an amazing solution for me because they provide me with all the tools that I need. And you know what they say, a good company over delivers, and that's what Builderall does. Not only did they provide me with the opportunity to help other people grow their businesses, but they also gave me a solution to create my own business where I can actually teach people for free and then let them use the Builderall software branded by the vegan entrepreneur and help them create the business of their dreams. Let them live the life of their dreams, and Builderall allows me to do that. Their software is not only just for making funnels, it's everything is inside of there. Like, you don't need anything else. The only tool you will need to become successful on the internet is Builderall. So if you are doubting, or if you think if this software could help you grow your business, stop. Just try it out. Their team is amazing. The support they deliver is amazing. I'm around for quite a while already. I purchased a lot of softwares and there's nothing compared to the Builderall team. The software is one thing and all the tools they offer. But really what I'm looking for when I'm investing my money in a company is how good is the team that is actually delivering the service to you. Not only how good is their software today, but also where do they plan on taking it in the future. And I have a lot of trust in Eric and his team and the fact that they are going to make an amazing business out of this. Right now I've been using ClickFunnels for a long time, and this is just nothing compared to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels can't compete with Builderall because of their pricing, because of their business structure, because of their work ethic. It's insane. So just try it out, and I'm pretty sure they have a 30-day guarantee. So if you don't like it, give it back. But there's nothing not to like. There's software tutorials, everything is in there. So give it a try and enjoy.